and gentlemen, and as always, thank you for watching. Tonight we've been called by the Missouri State Highway Patrol, uncertain of the extent of what we're going to have to do. All we know is that there's a tractor trailer loaded approximately 80,000 pounds gross weight that is in a cable system and leaning, in danger of rolling over on a side road. It has the road completely blocked. They have 2 troopers on site at the time that they dispatched us. So I've got the rotator, and Talon is behind me in the Western Star Vulcan V70. What have we got? Howdy, howdy, sir.
We got a case of GPS telling you to go the wrong direction. He was making a left turn out of here, and obviously that's not doable.
No, left turn didn't work.
And he's up in the barrier up there.
How bad? Looks pretty bad.
Yeah, it's not good. I don't know, you'll probably have to send a car or a truck around to the other side. I didn't know what your plan of attack was going to be.
Well, let me see. We will try to come up with one.
It's more off than it is on.
Yeah, I see that. Oh man, he's tangled in this thing too, isn't he? It's sitting on top of the tire.
Well, that's
It's better than it could be, but coming out, it's going to take some damage to the hood, there's no doubt.